Guys, hope you are doing well now. Today, through this video, I will teach you some topics of this unit viscosity in the subject of properties of matter. Also, I will finish this unit through some additional videos. Here, you will learn the basics of following contents: fluid mechanics, ideal fluid, density, pressure, streamline and turbulent flow, critical velocity, and equation of continuity. Before starting the detailed study, you have to think about viscosity. What is viscosity? Viscosity is the property of a fluid by virtue of which it opposes the relative motion between its layers. After this, see fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is the branch of mechanics which deals with fluid and categorizes into two groups. Number one is fluid statics and second is hydrodynamics. Moving towards next content, which is ideal fluid. This ideal fluid may be written as non-viscous and incompressible fluids are known as ideal fluid. Generally, the substances which flow are called fluids. Fluid includes both liquids and gases. In this universe, no fluid is ideal, but only few fluids are taken as ideal fluid for most of the observations. In this connectivity, see this next content, which is known as density. Density of substance is defined as the ratio of mass of substance to the volume occupied by the substance. Density may be written by this formula: density equals to mass upon volume. Its SI unit is kg per meter cube and CGS unit is gram per centimeter cube. Both the units can be related as 1 gram per centimeter cube equal to 1000 means 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Density is a scalar quantity whose dimension is ml-3. In case of solid bodies, density of body always equal to the density of substance. But in case of hollow bodies, density of body always is smaller than the density of substance. Sometimes, instead of density, we use the term relative density or specific gravity. Relative density can be defined as the ratio of density of body to the density of water. After getting this nice information, moving towards pressure. See, what is pressure? Pressure generally produces by the force. Force has directional properties, but pressure itself is a scalar quantity and is defined as the force per unit area. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. It is also called Pascal, but its CGS unit is Dyn per centimeter square and practical unit is bar and torr. The atmospheric pressure can be measured by barometer and the pressure difference means gauge pressure may be determined by manometer. So, we are here with the next topic, which is called streamline flow. What is streamline flow? Streamline flow generally known by the flow of liquid in which the velocity of liquid always is smaller than the critical velocity. It can be written as the flow of fluid is said to be steady, streamline or laminar if every particle of the fluid follow exactly the path of its preceding particles and has the same velocity of its preceding particle at every point. When the velocity of liquid increases, it increases by the value which is called critical. Then the flow of liquid turns toward turbulent. Means the necessary condition of turbulent flow is the velocity of liquid is greater than the critical velocity. So critical velocity can be named as a barrier between these two motions, and this critical velocity may be defined as the maximum value of velocity up to which flow of liquid remains streamline. When fluid exceeds this velocity, then its flow turns to turbulent. The critical velocity can be written by this formula Vc equals to k eta upon rho r. So we are here with this next topic, which is known as equation of continuity. The other name of this topic is known as the principle of continuity. In case of steady flow of ideal fluid through a tube of non-uniform cross-section, the product of the area of cross-section and the velocity of flow is same at every point in the tube. Means the product of area A and the velocity V remains always constant. Means A into V equal to constant. This equation is known as equation of continuity. This equation of continuity graphically may be represented as, when we draw a curve between A and V, means area of cross section A and velocity V, then we see by this graph the value of area decreases, its velocity continuously increases. This topic of equation of continuity have a vital role in our daily life. The detailed study of this topic may also be studied in the next videos